Guess where we are? We're back in the Let's Make It room. Or let's try. Okay, I've torn this all apart. All the pieces are here. I'll show you that in a minute. I printed off these leaves. I've got several pages of them. I'm going to cut them out, and I'm going to line the pan with those so they'll give a little bit more. I would have used real leaves, but we've been getting some rain, and besides, once they dry out, they get crunchy. So I'll just use some fake ones. But I'm not gonna make you watch me cut them out. Somebody said twig, somebody said spider, someone actually said tree, but I don't know about that one. Maybe leaves. Duh. Well, these leaves are actually gonna be big. They're just gonna be used for, but at least they'll look like leaves. In order to make a twig look like a twig, I think we talk. Oh, what do you think of the necklace? My daughter made that years ago. She got those tiny these little beads here, and she made a. Her husband is, I think, 3/4 or 2/3 Native American. Part of it's Sioux, and I think the other is Cherokee. I'm always getting that mixed up. And she found out that on her paternal side, she has some. So anyway, but she kind of got into the art, and she used to do so much art before she injured her eye, and I think she's kind of getting back into it because she did design a couple of tattoos about the kids for her and her husband, and they're just gorgeous. I'm not big on tattoos, but I'm not going to stop her with her art either. So anyway, she's crafty and artsy. I'm not anything near what she is. Okay, I am going to attempt this tree. I'm going to put this around and mold it around the toothpick. Maybe I should take the ends off, the sharp ends. I think I'll do that so they aren't poking through so easy. And I'm not going to worry about it being so, smooth, because have you ever seen a really smooth tree branch? Nope, me neither. So okay. I may need to thicken this some, we'll have to see. Okay, let's do it this way. See what I'm doing there? I'm using an extra piece to wrap around the other. Hopefully that's working. Do one more. My aim is to kind of fill this up Sort of. I don't want to be ridiculous with it. I got to keep looking to make sure I've got you in there. But there's... Now I just need to take another piece. I'll put that down here lower. Yeah. Just kind of model that on. So we've got, there's a twig or an antler, whichever you want. No, it's a twig. There we go. There's a fat old twig. So that's one thing we'll cook. These are still here. They're just waiting for the rest of the process. Boom. Let's see if I can keep my mess cleared up. Don't want anybody stepping on those. Okay. Along came a spider and sat down beside her. So what spider do I want to make? I don't want to make this one near as big as that other bug. I may not put that other bug back in here. We'll just have to see. Make it about the size of the one on that planter. I do want it big enough to where it looks ominous. Well, he's almost as big as the witch. Just kind of making a body here. Round it off up here for a little head. Make him look dangerous. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think with a real black widow, these violin-shaped things are actually on their tummies instead of on their backs, but there is, I know there's spiders that do have them spots on their backs. Okie dokie. Now, how in the world? Oh, I don't want that color. Can you see what the heck I'm doing here? I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna turn him over. There he is so far. But I need some legs. And I think the toothpicks are going to be too big. So we're just going to have to make some little legs and bake them on. I mean, they can be long. Spiders have all kinds of long legs, but they're very thin. I am so amazed that my hands are even letting me make this kind of stuff because they shake so bad. There. But they're very, very nice to me when I mean, I guess they don't care that I shake when it comes to this kind of thing. Goodness gracious. Uh-oh. That didn't work. I got it too thin. Oh. And it's so soft. Well, now I have to redo 2 legs. Ah. Along came a spider and sit down and bit her, and oh, she went running away. Mommy! Well, you can see that wasn't exactly easy. I do think I'm going to see what else you've got on there. I'm thinking maybe some corn stalks out of maybe mixing some yellow and a little bit of brown together, make them look, and maybe some corn on the cob, tiny ones, yeah, and maybe a green snake. Green snakes just seem more Halloween-y to me. You need to have the spooky colors, slimy look. And those leaves we'll cut out. So we'll get to this, and we'll see if we can fill that thing up better. And we'll see you tomorrow. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Give us a thumbs up. We really do like those. And be sure to smile and wave, however way you wave. And Joe's over there making fun of me with his waving. We will see you tomorrow. My battery's going dead, so whatever I forgot is gone. Good night. Look in the description below to find links to the sites where you can buy these books. They are all available online as well as in your local major bookstores. Thank you. If you would like to help support this channel, as well as my writing and the research I need to do for the next book and some of the travel costs, just buy my books. That's the best way, because Patreon hasn't worked. I have not reached a level where I can collect anything yet. So as far as, here on YouTube, hopefully someday. But just buy my books and read them and share them. And do give them a review if you like them. Thank you.
Got it yesterday. It's got a flag on it even.